My mission with the Mortgage Report is simple: to save you money. I'm here to provide weekly insight into the market so you can make the best buying decision. I want you to know where interest rates are headed, and I promise to let you know my lock or float position. The Mortgage Report starts now. Hey, what's up, Bob Mortgage Nation? This is a 68th episode of the Mortgage Report. That's right, I've been delivering these mortgage reports to you for 68 weeks. And what I do, guys, is I am giving you my lock or float position for this coming week. This is a weekly video, and it takes into account what's happened in the past week and what's going to be coming up in the future week, and kind of giving you my lock or float position. Now, one of the things that I've implemented in this mortgage report is because I know you guys want the data real time. So I encourage you to go to Instagram.com/BobMortgage. Follow me on Instagram, because in the stories, I start producing just those daily videos that'll tell you what's happening that day, which could alter my lock or float position that I put out in that weekly video. So please go ahead and go to Instagram.com/BobMortgage. Follow me, and that way you get all the daily insight as this market changes and evolves. Especially this week, I'm recording this one a little early. Today's Thursday. I usually record them in the weekend, so that way we have them ready to go for Monday. I'm going to record this one on Wednesday because we have a lot of things going on tomorrow and this weekend. But we had a nice opening with mortgage bonds today, and it closed out really, really strong. And most of it was because the 30-year bond auction was met. It was pretty weak. And then our producer price index, our PPI report, that which measures wholesale inflation, was unchanged for the month of July. And that's giving us hope that the CPI, okay, the consumer price index, now that measures consumer inflation. We get that tomorrow. We're really hoping that that is going to be tame as well. Now, our challenge with that is, our tariffs are starting to kick in. And as those things start to kick in, inflation could potentially start to rise as we see costs going up and companies potentially passing that cost on to the customers. So as of right now, I'm going to go into tomorrow, Friday, carefully floating, and then I'm going to watch how the CPI comes out tomorrow, and then start making my adjustments there. Because if we look at my chart right now, when we closed up at 101.7 basis points, which was a nice close to the positive. You can see the nice gap that we had from yesterday to the close of business today. You also start to see our resistance right here, right? We start to have several layers of resistance that's going to prohibit the bond prices to go up. And we have a long way to fall all the way down to this support level. So our CPI numbers tomorrow, we really want them to be tame so that maybe we can start another sideways trading range. If we get some really good numbers, it might give us enough momentum to bust up to where we were back up into the mid to late July numbers there. So bottom line, I'm going to go into tomorrow floating, start making some adjustments. Follow me on Instagram so you can see my adjustments tomorrow, and then we'll go into the week of Monday, either floating or locking based on how Friday ends up closing. Look, I've been a mortgage advisor for over 20 years. Been blessed to provide financing to over 25,000 families. I watch the markets daily to make sure I can get the right product and the right price for you and your home loan. Give me a call. With Bob Mortgage, your dream loan is already within your reach.